What's up, everybody? I just found your next favorite hoodie called the BAERSKin Tactical Hoodie 3.0, and it's got a lot of upgrades from the 2.0. This is going to be awesome for travel, hiking, sneaking in snacks into the theater, and staying warm all year around. Let's get into it. First, the material. This is a fleece material, 330 GSM, so it's a medium weight. It's going to be great for the fall and like super early winter time, and it's treated, so that means it's double napped and it's brushed to help against pilling, and that's going to help make it nice all year around. Now we're going to talk about pockets, okay? There is 12 pockets in total in this hoodie. You're going to have 6 on the outside, okay? They're going to have zippers, and they're all going to have the storm flaps to protect against, heat leak and, the wind brushing in there. So you have 2 on the arms, you have 2 at the waist, 1 at the chest, and then my favorite, you got the back one. So this is going to be your partner's favorite pocket. They're going to stuff that thing up like a reverse kangaroo. All right, so get ready for that. Now let's talk about the inside. 3 zippered pockets inside, which is a new addition from the 2.0, and you've got 3 drop-down pockets inside. So those pockets inside, especially with the zippers, I think it's going to be a great travel companion because I'm putting money, cards, passports in my pockets, and I don't really want to think twice or look over my shoulder about pickpockets. This has several layers of protection against them, right? First, I got to get through this, then inside, and through another zipper. So that's cool. The third thing we're going to look at is the windsulation, all right? That's how do we insulate ourselves from the wind and stay warm. So the BAERSKkin Tactical Hoodie has a hoodie, of course, with this little sun visor that I kind of just flip inside. So it's a fitted hoodie, which is nice. It's not super baggy, and it has these updated adjustable cords. So you could update the cords, stretch them, tighten them up, and lock your head in nice and warm. Okay. And then the next one that you can adjust and keep yourself warm is at the cuffs. Okay, we're going from the top down. So now at the cuffs, you have these nice rubber straps. You could strap them up and lock in your wrists nice and tight, prevent wind from coming in there. Now the third spot that you can adjust and make tight and protect against the wind is at the waist. You have these 2 cords that you can adjust and pull them tight at the waist. So from the waist to the cuffs to the hoodie, make them tight and no more wind. That's the windsulation features of the BAERSKkin hoodie. The fourth thing we're going to talk about is the fit. How does it fit? Well, I think it looks great if I say so myself, but you can see that this has an extended back, so it covers your bum pretty nice, keep your bum warm, and it has a tailored feel to it, so it actually gets thinner as you go to the waist. So that's very nice. And you also have patches over at the shoulders, so anybody that likes to rock patches, they have the pads for you ready to go. The quality overall, I'd say, is pretty high. The zippers are smooth, the fabric feels great. The build quality, I can't complain about anything about this hoodie, really. So I would say it's worth the price, which is $121. And if that's interesting, you can check it out on their website, BAERSKkin.com. It's also available on Amazon. So check that out. They also have a vest version that you can wear that gives you all the same pockets and features, just without anything related to the sleeves. No sleeves on that guy. So it comes in a couple different colors like green, gray, black, and some other colors. So check that out and let me know what you think. We'll see you next time. Take care.